Well, it's Monday here on the farm. This is coffee. Protestant work ethic in a cup.
Are you filming right now?
Every day you're what?
That's super exciting.
It is super exciting. Sorry, that was accidental.
Alright, Miss Amy, I'm ready whenever you are.
Are you ready? You sure you're ready?
I hate you. Yes!
Okay, I'm ready too. Good morning. What if I need this pen
No.
back?
You can't. What? You're not giving me anything to work with.
My pen. This is my computer.
This is my pen.
I was gonna pick up my pen and my notebook. Like I'm talking to Harvey.
I make these huge master data sheets that are completely awesome. Thing, you can't see it, but it's here. Yay! Was that so hard?
No, I can talk for a long time. You know that.